kids. Kids, let's learn colors name. Black color, blue color, red color, pink color, orange color, yellow color, green color, and brown color. Kids, we will trace A, B, C, A to L. Let's trace A, B, C, D, E, F, pink color, G, violet color, H, I, J, K, L, black color, A, green color, B, C, D, E, F, brown color, G, orange color, H, I, J, K, L. Kids, read again. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat, D for dog, E for elephant, F for fish, G for goat, H for horse, I for ice cream, J for jaguar, K for kangaroo, L for lion. Thanks for watching.